Hello everyone, here is Jolita and sometimes my teddy bear voice. I'm pretty sure that the most of you are already having everything ready for Christmas, but if you still feel like you would need one or another touch here and there, I hope that I could give you some inspiration from my DIYs. Christian and I, we are still hesitating whether to get a Christmas tree this year or not. On the other hand, the most efforts usually go into a tree decoration, and with this done, also our Christmas decor mostly ready. So I decided to cheat on Christmas decor and drop the Christmas garland on the shelves. We haven't a tree, but can still enjoy the lights. I'm usually making a part of decor myself every year, so follow me as I go. I will show you what I did for this year. The 8-pointed Nordic star I found probably in the summer on Pinterest, and I'm collecting some ideas over the year. I decided to have my star in 2 colors, and the crafting paper I'm using is 270 grams per square meter. I wouldn't suggest making it from harder paper. I did the black one and it was a little bit difficult to fold at some parts. Here I'm trying to show that this fold has an X shape. Now this part looks slightly tricky, but pushing where the lines are crossing and then on those lines near the bigger triangle makes a trick. And it looks like a part of Sydney Opera House, repeated 8 times. For assemble this star, take 2 folded details and insert the small triangle of one detail into a pocket of a large triangle of another detail, and the same way add all the star points one by one, then join the first with the last one. Make some adjustments and ta-da! I am not drinking alcohol, so I'm always keen to have a variety in my non-alcoholic drinks. And here is some very wintry coffee punch. Maybe you are also making it in winter, but if not, coffee with orange zest, cloves, cinnamon and nutmeg with a cream whip is a very Christmassy combination and also fills the air with very lovely scent. Before straining the zest and spice infusion, I'm quickly heat them once again as I want my drink being hot possible, and then immediately pour into glasses before making a coffee. It tastes very gentle, something for slowly afternoon. If you, like me, are a knitter, you're surely always having some yarn rests. I thought I could make few mug sleeves. Those are keeping drinks warm and protecting the hands from burning, and could be also some last-minute present idea. So I had this yarn after the same grey pullover I'm wearing here, and I also knitted up probably 1 meter from the yarn of the future pullover. All the project took just a little bit longer than an hour. I'm having a couple of pretty embroidery books from France. Those are not very new, but I'm always finding some inspirations here. I wanted to make some very simple snowflake, but I ended up embroidering 2 W's, stuck one on another mirror-wise, and it worked. And another one supposed to be a moose or something. And my last project is an origami lantern. The paper I'm using is semi-transparent Christmas themed for making lanterns. It's something between wax paper and plastic. So at the beginning you are making 1 centimeter fold at the shorter end, and after the first fold is ready, every step making this lantern is a sequence of repeating movements. I used to make them also for other occasions. It's nice to decorate outdoor party or as a dinner table decor in any time of year. I am diagonal marking and making folds after, just between 2 middle sections of the sheet, creating a diamond pattern. Back in Lithuania, I remember we were decorating 1 week before Christmas. Here in Luxembourg it comes together with first Advent. I'm usually adding gradually something because my ideas are coming not all at once, yeah, luckily. And how about you? Are you already have all decorated since end of November or more last minute decorator? Leave me a comment. After sticking sides and the bottom part, it should turn into a rectangular shape. I'm gently pushing in the middle of each diamond and going all the way along the folds, especially in the crossings, to bring out a wavy look. For the handle, I found some crafting wire which I rolled into a spiral to reinforce it. And here are my 3 cents on how to not get crazy over the Christmas season. Concentrate on what you can, not on what you can't. Don't make yourself the only one responsible for everything. You are not owning Christmas, it's everybody's. And there will be always more stylish Christmas trees and more expensive presents and more perfect dinner settings and uglier ugly sweaters and better quality Instagram photos. But hey, you are enough. The star now is decorating Christian's piano class at his school. So here is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video and could find some inspirations. Thanks for watching. Christmas greetings from Luxembourg. See you in the next one. Eddie!